You see that gold leaf behind me? You know what that means, right? Fuck you mean? No gunner. I'm gonna start saying that every time I be on some no snitch shit. Cause that's a lot. I'll be like, no gunner. Cause he was like, fuck you mean, and this nigga a snitch. That boy a snitch, boy. Hey look, we gonna get into a brand new group for me, man. I've never heard this group before. I don't know if it's even gonna get cleared on this reaction or not. I have no idea. We will find out together. God Save the Queen Revisited by the Sex Pistols. Who in the hell is this band? And I hope this don't raise no devil or nothing in my crib, man. I done told y'all about this type of shit before. Don't bring the dark stuff my way. I'm a God-fearing man. I'm gonna go ahead and knock the demon down. Like it ain't gonna work. But I'm saying, don't try. Don't try. Fuck you mean? Don't try. Let's go.
You thought you'd gotten rid of us, didn't you? But you were wrong, old bean. Because we're back with a vengeance.
God save the Queen, my son.
Hold on. I've heard I don't know if I've heard this, but I've heard a rip of that, like, that sample, that guitar sample on Tony Hawk. I forget that little song. AYOO, let's go. AYOO, let's go. I don't know, I got ADHD, y'all. But I know that shit. I've heard that. Somebody redid this. Damn it. But I don't know about this one. Wait a minute.
The Queen, my son.
Sorry. I had to get that out. I was expecting that to come out.
God save the Queen, the fascist regime. It made you a moron, potential hate bomb. God save the Queen.
Bon Jovi started that.
She ain't no human being.
I don't want to nod my head to this. It's really loud and obnoxious, but I can't help but to just feel like, just because the way the vibe is from the lead singer, I want to nod my head. He's moving so slow and everybody else around him is jamming. I'm like, it makes you want to smile and move your head like a little bit, like a head nod. I'm cool with it. Let's go. That's where that came from. How do you interpret this? Like, what are they trying to say? Like, God Save the Queen as in like a sarcastic way? Like, she's got it in for herself? Because this is obviously this is around the 2000 era. Maybe pre-2000s. Gotta be. Because the face paint and everything is all Bon Jovi. The hairstyle's crazy. This is definitely the 80s, 90s. For sure. You can't tell me differently. Gotta be 80s, 90s. Wait a minute.
God save the Queen, 'cause tourists are money. And our figurehead is not what she seems. Oh, God save history. God save your mad parade.
I don't even know what that was. The band's getting in right now, like y'all listening, like they're actually going in right now, but it's just the lead singer's throwing me off from his movements and shit. Like he is not enthusiastic about this at all. Too chill. It's funny. That's a concert. That's a show. The guy trying to tell him to stop drumming. Why is he getting dragged out the club? What happened? That's so fast. Wait. Oh, she is too. Damn. That's how you know it's a concert when people getting drug out. Hey, listen. That's a show. That is a whole show.
The Sex Pistols' current record, God Save the Queen, is at #1 in the Capital Hitline today. But the IBA, which administers the Broadcasting Act, has advised us that particularly at this time, this record is likely to cause offense to a number of our listeners and have asked us not to play it in our normal programming. However, we will be playing this record with the authorities' approval at 7:30 p.m. tonight on Brian Wolf's Open Line, and we welcome your views about the punk rock.
I got questions, man. Get in the comments because, like, I need to know a little bit more about this whole band before I dig into any more. I don't know how to feel. I liked the tempo of it. The band had me shaking my head, and it was an interesting video. But politically, I don't really like that shit around my channel too much, and that meant something there. They was on something. The people at the concert were on something too. But I can't judge that, because look at that gold leaf behind me. We up. Hey man, I'm about to go watch these football games. Figure out what the hell was going on upstairs, because I hear some thudding, some thunking, and then I gotta fix my cat. It's broken. He's got, my cat's broken, whatever, I don't know. I gotta fix my cat. Till next time.